What's going on YouTube? Today's video we have the 1 month review of the Tribit Stormbox Lava. We had this for a month. We had it since before it even came out. Tribit was nice enough to send it out for review, so shout out to you guys. First, let's start off with the unboxing experience. So when it comes to Tribit products, they're all very simple and nice packaging. You have the all yellow box on the outside with all the specifications you need to know. Very clear instructions, specifications, and literature when it comes to the design. Opening up the box, you do have protection for the foam on the sides as well as a little bag around it. Now this does have an accessory box which does include 2 different types of straps or handles. You have one that is a nylon, like a rope type of fiber, and that is going to be like your main handle. And then you also do have a carry strap handle which, you know, goes over the shoulder and you're able to, you know, use it in the park or during summer or anything else like that. It's going to be super helpful. Both are really convenient. They're very well made and they look good. Also included is a USB-C charging cable and some user guide information for quick start setups or anything that you might have an issue with. If you don't know how to do certain stuff, then this will be able to help you out. Taking a look at the design itself, this looks really nice. It's very, I guess, can-like shaped. It's very rounded out. It has a lot of rubber on the bottom, so it won't move anywhere. It has 2 passive radiators on each side, and then this is front facing, so the speakers are on the logo side rather than the back. So that's just an FYI, it's not 360-degree design, but they do have those options available as well. So I love that Tribit has options to suit any need of any audiophile or any person that loves to listen to music. This version here is the Lava. We'll see if they come out with like a pro version that's bigger like this and has pro features or something similar like that. This one does not have RGB, so that's just a FYI. It would have been a little bit cool to see RGB around the ring, similar to the SOS 500 from Sony. Now let's go ahead and showcase the Tribit app. Now when you download this for the first time, you just press the plus. Once you're paired, it'll automatically go ahead and start. Now I did do my own custom EQ like I always do, just because I love to make mine a little different. So right now, we've pretty much been using it for a month and it's barely at 40%. So there's an FYI on the battery so far. We have not used any chargers yet. On default, you have bass off and XBass. Both sounds okay, but I like to have the sound more open because by default it does not as open as possible, and the bass wasn't at its full potential, so I went ahead and increased that, fixing a little bit of the EQ. I wasn't like going super in depth, but I just did what sounded good to my ears. And if you want to copy it, then you can go ahead and see this here based off of what I like to listen to or based off of what the full potential of the speaker would be. So I like the way that you can actually customize it to your liking or to the way that you want the speaker to sound. And it actually handles a really good amount. So there's that, and then there's a total of 6 EQ modes that you can do for the preset. When you go into settings, you do have the firmware version, which is we're on 1.4.8. You can change the device name as well right there. Countdown to shutdown, which I turned that off. I also turned off auto shutdown, and I turned off every single voice prompt. So whenever you turn it on, it won't make any sound. Whenever you turn it off, it won't make a sound. Bluetooth pairing, low battery, maximum volume, all of that, I turned it off. The only one I keep is the TWS. And for the EQ button, I did also change it. So on the top of the device, you do have an illumination for XBass. Whenever it is on, you can set it to one different EQ mode. Whenever you have it turned off, you can set it to a different one. For me, I put light off for the XBass, which sounds pretty good. It's not a crazy amount of bass, but it's better than no bass at all. So I keep it as that. And then for the turning on for that button, I changed it to my personal EQ. But you can change it to either or. If you wanted 2 separate ones or any other presets, then you can change it to that. So yeah, that's very simple. It's pretty much not a whole lot to mess with, but it is very helpful. Don't get me wrong, it's so helpful.
But tell me what I can do. Got a plenty aces that life hands you. Feeling like my body understands you. Maybe we could take this all the way. Spend another day chilling, making layups. If you're feeling down, well, there's a way up. All about that bread, I got my cake up. Maybe I just need another taste. Love the way you sway. Lately I've been feeling like my life is in a movie. I call it every night and every day, cause I don't ever let the fame or money fool me. I gotta stay consistent in my ways. Oh yeah.
You're able to have two of these like hooked on together. So if you're having the strap there, you can have one on the whole time, and then you can have the handle there as well for some moral support. So that's really helpful as opposed to just this. And by the way, we are going to be doing a comparison video. It'll be our first speaker comparison video on these two speakers. So subscribe, stay tuned for it. We're gonna check it out. Soundcore is amazing. So the Soundcore has a handle with no strap option. This one has the option of both, and you're able to use both. You can have one or the other. You can clip them on. It's super convenient. The strap is super comfortable. They listened to the community on this, and they did a really good job on it. So good job, Tribit, when it came to that. Overall, the speaker sounds really, really good. Everything you're listening to there is also a discount code in the description as well. Check it out for the early birds out there, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.